I'm Paul Perkins with the check of your ag weather. Underneath the dome of high pressure building north from the southern plains, it stays hot and humid all the way through Wednesday. After highs in the 90s this afternoon, we top out in the mid-90s to the low 100s tomorrow. That combination of heat and humidity once again making it feel like it's in the mid to upper 100s for tomorrow. Wednesday is not as humid, but highs are still in the 90s. Storms developing across the western plains may result in late day and nighttime thunderstorms across the west and central through tomorrow night. A better chance of thunderstorms is late Wednesday into the night as the cold front sags to the south. With that front stalling, occasional thunderstorms remain possible through Friday night. Highs dropping to more seasonal levels around 90 for Thursday and Friday. That high-pressure ridge strengthens, and highs rebound into the 90s Saturday and up to around 100 on Sunday. The heat lasting through the long-term forecast. Warmer than normal temperatures very likely this weekend through the first 3 days of August for Nebraska, Kansas, and nearly all of the U.S., especially in the nation's midsection. During the early days of August, central Nebraska highs are usually in the upper 80s with average overnight lows in the low to mid-60s. Nebraska and Kansas rainfall looks to be slightly below normal this weekend through August 3rd. Key weather factors impacting the markets include increasing heat for the Corn Belt and dry areas in Europe and the Black Sea region, and improving rainfall in Australia. This week, a large ridge of high pressure maintains hot and humid conditions from the central and southern plains into the southeast. Beneath that dome of high pressure, highs mostly range from 90 to 100. Rain is scattered, leading to decreasing topsoil moisture. A monsoon flow of moisture and cold fronts in the northern U.S. result in significant rains of 1 to 3 inches, with locally higher amounts falling across the north-central U.S. and the lower southeast. Spotty rain occurs the next 5 days in the Midwest and central and southern sections of the plains. Most rainfall the next couple of weeks likely to stay across the northern areas of the plains and Midwest. Western Europe saw widespread rain this weekend, and additional showers continue the next few days. Some rain makes it into Eastern Europe with milder temperatures, a benefit for developing summer crops. Across the Black Sea region over the weekend, rainfall was largely across the north, with lesser amounts or no rain for the drier southeast. The southern Black Sea region stays mostly dry this week, favoring wheat harvest but not developing corn in need of rain. Western Australia saw moderate to heavy rainfall this past weekend, and rain looks to be more widespread across the east this early week. Rainfall that's more widespread this week likely to reduce the drought for much of Australia's winter wheat and canola areas. Australian wheat and canola still in the vegetative stage, and the rain would be very helpful before the reproductive stages begin. With your check of ag weather, I'm Paul Perkins.